Hello and welcome back. We're making a no-sew makeup bag today, and to make this DIY, here's what you need: a zipper, upholstery fabric, glue gun, scissors, lip template, Mod Podge, and some glitter. I got my glitter and Mod Podge from Acrylex in Osu. So the first thing you do is cut out a rectangle from your fabric and then fold the ends of the fabric as I've done in there. And then the next thing you do is you take your zipper and place it in the middle of your rectangle. Then you take your glue gun and just attach it as I'm doing. I folded the ends of the fabric because I wanted it to look very neat when we glue it to the zipper. So after that, you open it and turn it inside out. So after turning it inside out, the next thing you do is you seal the open sides, which is what I'm doing now. So after that, you turn it back in and then you're done. So you can choose to leave your makeup bag like this, but I'm a bit extra, so I decided to add a little glitter to mine. So I just printed out this lip template from Google, and then I cut the lip out. So after the cutouts, we have to paste the paper onto the makeup bag. So I just used some tape to attach mine. So just put the tape all over and then press it down. So the next thing you do is take your Mod Podge and just apply it all over as I'm doing. So basically, you're just going to spread the Mod Podge and then pour the glitter on. Okay, so you have to allow it to dry before you peel the paper. What I did was I couldn't wait. So when I started peeling the paper, I noticed it wasn't dry. So I had to wait for like 10 more minutes for it to dry. So just to be on the safer side, leave it for about 15 minutes to dry up before you peel the paper. So I'm just peeling the middle part off as well, and then we're done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's going to be a link to my blog in the description box to show you what to put in your makeup bag. Thank you.